How to use Spocket with Shopify. Hello guys and welcome. Ready to start dropshipping like a pro? In this video, I'll show you how to use Spocket with Shopify to build and grow your online store the easy way. So make sure to watch up till the end for you to learn all the steps. First, you need to sign in to your Shopify, but if you don't have any Shopify, you can create one using your email. Now, go to the left side of your Shopify and click the Add Apps, and then just search for Spocket. Now you will see this option. Click the Install button. And then continue to install this app. After installing it, it will be redirected to their website. So here we go. So before exploring the website, you must set up first by selecting the category you want to sell in. So here we have women's clothing, bath and beauty, tech accessories, and you can pick for based on what is trending. Then after that, just click the continue button and select the kind of products you are looking for. Then after that, you're going to select and choose the region you're selling in. So after doing all of those things, you need to select your payment method to avail their free trial. You can use your credit or debit card, or you can either use your PayPal account. Now you don't actually going to pay it first, but after 14 days, I think it is the period of their free trial, so it is not bad. It's a good way for you to explore their interface with their free trial. Now, one of the things I really like about Spocket is its product variety and quality. Now, from fashion and home decor to tech gadgets and accessories, there's something for every niche. Plus, many of the products have unique designs that help businesses stand out in a competitive market. Then also, Spocket makes drop shipping super easy and efficient. And what I really love about it is its tools and features that help um the workflow of your business. One tool I find incredibly useful is the one-click import feature, which is one click I can add products directly to my online store, and it saves so much time compared to manually uploading product details. And then another tool that stand out is the real-time inventory updates. Now it automatically syncs inventory level, so I don't have to worry about overselling products that are out of stock. So this feature alone gives me peace of mind and keeps my store running smoothly. So if you want to add a product, you can click the Add to Import List button, and it will be added now to your product list. Now let's talk about the AliExpress products on Spocket. One of the best things about Spocket is how it integrates AliExpress dropshipping with its own system. While AliExpress is a great marketplace for finding affordable products, Spocket takes it a step further by allowing you to access selected AliExpress products and manage them seamlessly through their platform. And as for Alibaba, it's fantastic for bulk ordering, but it's not always the best fit for smaller scale dropshipping. With Spocket, you don't have to worry about large minimum order quantities. You can just source high quality items individually while maintaining a professional branded experience for your customer. On the other side, Temu which is quickly becoming popular for its affordable prices, while Temu is great for finding trendy and low-cost items. It doesn't offer the same supplier network or business tools that Spocket does. With Spocket, you're not just getting access to products, you're getting a full suite of tools like real-time inventory updates, branded invoicing, and automatic order tracking. Now, one of the things I really appreciate about Spocket is its flexibility with plan subscriptions. First, we have the starter plan. Once you're ready to grow, the starter plan offers more features at an affordable price. This plan allows you to add more products to your store and access essential tools like branded invoicing. It's a great step up if you are serious about turning your store into a reliable source of income. Now, the Pro plan is ideal for businesses looking to scale because it includes everything in the starter plan but adds premium features like access to exclusive products and priority email support. You can import up to 10,000 products, making it perfect for managing a larger inventory. Now, for big businesses or established stores, the Empire plan is the ultimate choice. With this plan, you can manage up to 10,000 premium products, access VIP support, and take advantage of advanced features for maximizing your store's potential. Now, Spocket is a powerful dropshipping platform that connects e-commerce entrepreneurs with high-quality suppliers, particularly from the US and Europe. So it's designed to simplify the process of sourcing products. And my best piece of advice is don't hesitate to get started. It might seem daunting at first, but with tools like Spocket to simplify the process, you'll be up and running in no time. The key to a successful dropshipping business is consistency. Now, it gives you the tools you need to process your business, but the rest is up to you. So, stay consistent with your marketing, your customer service, and your product selection. And then that's it, guys. And if you're already used Spocket, let me know how it's been working for you in the comments. I'd love to hear your experience and tips. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more dropshipping tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.